Hello, today we will guide you through how to change leverage in Exness App. To begin, open your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading accounts and adjust account settings, including leverage. Once you are inside the account management section, take a moment to make sure you are viewing the correct trading account before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one account. Next, find the sample account you want to update. On that account, tap the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional account options that are not shown directly on the main screen. If you do not see it right away, look carefully near the account card or account details area. Tapping the three dots will open a list of available actions for that specific account. From the menu that appears, select Adjust Leverage. This option lets you change how much leverage is applied to the account. As you do this, it is important to remember that leverage can affect both potential profit and potential risk. So make sure you choose a setting that matches your trading preferences and risk tolerance. After opening the leverage settings, you will see the option to choose custom if you want to set a custom leverage value. This is useful if you already know the exact leverage level you want and prefer more control instead of selecting a preset option. Take your time here and double check the value you choose so it fits your intended trading setup. If you do not need a custom setting, you can simply select one of the available sample leverage options instead. This is often the quicker choice, especially if one of the preset values already matches what you need. Preset options can make the process easier and help avoid mistakes when entering a custom value manually. Once you have selected either a custom leverage setting or one of the sample leverage options, review your choice one final time. A quick check now can help prevent the need to repeat the process later. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. After saving, the updated leverage should be applied to that account. It is a good idea to confirm that the new setting appears correctly in your account details before you continue trading. And that's it. You have successfully changed the leverage for your Exness account. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other accounts by opening the three-dot menu, choosing Adjust Leverage, selecting your preferred option, and saving the changes.